Hey there everybody, today I'm going to show you a new tool in your Sketcher menu that is pretty interesting and can be very useful for your projects in the future. And today I'm going to talk about the tools that are underneath the rectangle function. So if you've been playing around at all, you've seen me use this in my previous videos in Pro Engineer Made Simple, and you've probably experimented with this a little bit. And it's pretty easy. It just automatically creates a rectangle for you. And you may think, okay, yeah, that's pretty easy. I can do that with the line tool or something really quickly. And yeah, you're right. It's pretty simple. But it does have a couple of drawbacks. Number one, the vertical and horizontal lines are just that. They're vertical and horizontal. They're parallel to the X and Y axes from our coordinate system. And let's say we wanted to get around that. If we undo that and we go to the next tool, the slanted rectangle, we can do a couple of interesting things here. We can change the angle here so that it automatically creates a slanted line that we define, and then it'll draw out two perpendicular lines and one parallel line for us to use. And it gives us this box here that is not parallel to the X and Y axes, even though it does touch it there. But it is a perfect rectangle from the line that we specified, which is this upper line here. So another really cool feature is the parallelogram. And again, it's very, very similar to this, where we define a line up here, but then we can determine where the next line is going to be located at. So if we click right there, we can make a very interesting parallelogram shape there. And like always, we can go ahead and delete certain things that we want to get rid of or modify it in any way. If you ever have some interesting shapes you need to make, but it's not quite working with the line tool, check out the rectangle tool. It's very useful.